Alright, you guys, this is going to be the start of a new video, and Udo, etc. Sorry about the noise. Right at the moment I'm boiling my fucking bum. Why, you may ask? Well, I just went down to get my car washed. As I pulled into the car wash, my steering went really stiff. Oh fuck, belt's gone. No, belt was fine. That's kind of strange. Alright, so turn the car off, thought let's restart it. Maybe that'll help. So turned the car off and restarted it. Wouldn't let me select gears. Crap. Turned the car off, waited a while, restarted it. Terrific. Couldn't open the windows, couldn't put the hazards on, couldn't read what it was telling me was the problem. All I could see was a red light and an orange light. Really fucking helpful. Okay, car's running. I tried to call AAA, which is, the American version of AA. And because they want to do all this Spanish fucking shit, as opposed to just dealing with what they should do, which is American, I'm going through all sorts of fucking menus. Anyway, in doing this, I got so pissed off with waiting that I ended up just saying, fuck it, I'm going to see if I can drive home. Banged it into gear, because this time it wanted to let me. Great, okay. So I'm driving down the road at 10 miles an hour. Wow, that's super fast in the Jaguar. I just don't know how I could handle the speed. So, 10 miles an hour. I'm trying to keep cool with the AC, but it's not working. So I turn the AC off and I can get up to 15 miles an hour now. Oh, I'm fucking flying. But I can't put the hazards on. They don't want to work. The windows won't come down. I'm hugging the curb because I don't want to be in anybody's way. I'm trying to indicate to them, guess what, guys? I've got a problem with my car. And, usually the assholes in trucks are fuck off, and I can't even wound down the window to give them the finger. Really annoying. Damn it. The drivers out here are fucking assholes, or at least most of them are, not all of them. Most of them are, especially if they drive trucks, because they don't think that maybe this guy who is hugging the curb has an issue. Let's give him a wide berth. Oh no, because then they'd actually have to engage their pathetic little brain cells, which of course is difficult because they couldn't find it in the first fucking place. So I have limped all the way home between 10 and 15 miles an hour. And of course, you don't get the green lights, do you? You always hit the red lights. And pulling away from a red light is extremely slow. And yeah, the truck guys are blasting their horns again. And then I keep over as far as I can, and the odd car or two has to roar past me. Oh, you're so annoying. No, I've got a problem, you stupid cunts. Ugh. Alright, so the rest of this video will be me replacing the alternator in my Jaguar XK8. Over here, that little baby is basically $250. Yeah! Okay, at least it's not the BMW water-cooled one, which I believe is around $500, because BMW are even bigger assholes than Ford. Hard to believe, I know. So, now I have to clean off my ramp because I need to remove the alternator on my XK8. This is not what I planned for my day. And I haven't got a clue where it is on the XK8 yet, but I will in about, let's say an hour, but to you it'll be a second or two. Let me just show you something. This is my ramp. because I'm rebuilding the IRSs for a customer, and it makes a perfect bench. Unfortunately, I've now got to move all of that shit so I can put my Jaguar on there, because I'm pretty darn sure I'm going to have to go underneath. Oh, look! I don't know if you can see that. My hazards are now flashing. What a fucking joke. I hate modern cars and their electronics. It fucks you up left, right and centre. So let me go out there, turn the hazards off, because whilst it is a hazard, it's on my drive. Good God. People get too fucking clever. Or at least they think they're clever and they're not. Alright, I'm now going to shut you off. Next thing you'll see is me starting to rip out Das Alternator. Alright, here we go. Now, first of all, let me give a shout out to Mr. To The Garage John Boy for showing me the double way to raise your hood once you take the shocks off, so you can get it up and out the fucking way. John, thank you so much for that. That's going to give me more room. But being an anal motherfucker that I am, I've jammed it there. I've got my special locking device on there, so this MFSOB ain't going nowhere. Now, John, I'm sure you're going to love this video whilst I take you for a walk. I have searched on the internet just in case there was a video that said, this is how you do the alternator on your Jaguar XK8. Well, it's there. Can you see it? Can you smell it? Can you see it? Oh, what the fuck? Oh crap, how am I going to get to that? Well, I'm going to get to it underneath and above, and where's the belt tensioner? It's there somewhere. Well, that as you can see, I'm sorry if you're getting a strange view here, but that's the Alternator. Oh, there's the tensioner over there. Okay, at the moment this engine is extremely fucking hot, so I ain't touching it till mañana. What? Mañana 9-ish. Oh, I can't think of the German for it. Oh dear, that's disgraceful. I lived in Germany. I should know what tomorrow is in German. Udo, help! Correct this ignoramus. Damn it. I do apologise, Udo, because Udo, sorry, because I should know that and I really don't. Looks like I got a leak on that pipe, whatever it is. Oh, geez, we're here, more fun. All right. My belt looks okay. My alternator said, you can go fuck yourself, Gary. We're not going to charge anymore. Well, okay, I can see it. Hang on a second. Let me twist you. There she is. I can see it. I can undo it, I'm sure. The question is, how the fuck do I get it out of there? Well, as I said, I searched YouTube. No one seemed to have a clue. I have a sneaking feeling that once I do actually disconnect it, I'm going to have to move this fan shroud to get it out. But we will find out. Next clip. Alright, here we go. Now, unfortunately for you, you're strapped to my head. Well, it's a strap-on that you can probably live with. Undo this clamp. Pop this little baby off. Pop this little baby off. Pop this hose off. Hang on a second. Oh, I need to undo this end. That's what is it? Oh, let's have a look. think they're 10mm. Let me go grab a 10mm winch. You can come with me. I know you don't want to, but you don't have a choice. Oh, all right. 8, 9, 10. See, that's what happens when you keep shit in order. You can usually find it. All right, so, and then it says you're a fucking idiot. It's an 8mm. Oh well. Murphy's Law. I hope you're enjoying walking around my garage. Or even my garage, depending on where you are. As I'm English and my name's Gary, this is a garage. Here we go. Yep, she's the 10mm. Oh, I haven't got my little tray. All right, so I'm gonna, for the moment, I'm gonna put them up there. But I'm gonna go get my tray. Fifth width. I'm not 100% sure I need to take this out of the way, but I'm gonna. Okay. The only reason I am doing it, hang on a second, there we go. Oh, isn't that just fucking typical? And the clip dropped all the way down there. All right, and let's get this out the way. Oh, come on. Mr. Ford Jaguar, you could have put him in a more awkward position if you really tried. Yes, and as you can see, I've got a filter. And for all you aero engineers that are watching this, particularly Mr. Gary Van Remortal, yes, I know I shouldn't put shit there, but I do. And I have. Oh shit, I need to undo this. I bet that's not an 8. Of course it's not, it's a fucking 10. God damn it, Muskie. Come on, boys, play with yourself, follow me. This is how it works when you work on cars. And as you will have heard in my previous preview, oh, come on, you're gonna come off? Oh, come on, John boy. John, to the garage. What the fuck do you call that mount? I know it's a funny name, and you know it because you're anal, and I can't remember it. But I need you to put it in the comments, John. Jesus Christ. So that the people know. Now, let's see. Where's me nuts? Am I going to lose me nuts, John? Oh, look at this shit. Let's get this shit out of the way. Oh, lots of shit. All right, John, I lost me nut. And I blame you. Oh, shit. Hang on, guys. Look, there's a big ass gap here. Oh, maybe I'm doing something sensible. That makes a fucking change. What the hell's this one doing? Oh, yeah, you took it off, you prick. Oh, there's me big ass clip. But I lost me bolt, didn't I? Hang on, let me grab me light. Did it go anywhere nice? Did it go to the floor? Of course it fucking didn't. Oh, but there it is. I can see me nuts. Okay, I gotta get my magnet. It's, I'm sorry, I'm messing with the camera. It's down there. I'll get my magnet on it, that'll be fine. All right, my next thing will be to take the tension off of the belt. I've already disconnected the battery, because that's what you must do when you're fucking with the alternator. You disconnect the battery, otherwise you're going to go sparky, sparky, sparky. Oh, fuck! Yeah, you don't want to do that. So, my next quest is to... oh, shit. Oh, what is it? let the engine cool down, and then take the tension off of this mofo. Excuse me, I'll be back.